think so. My own accord, I've explained it a bit. I think this week you know audio be before crossing my castle. Madam for the castle, you say you to say no permit no more nakedness da. Only who my digit the only being command. I are home. Madam for the can obeying the boy as Nagia natural institute. No good can separate us.
No day.
No good. Oh, castle media over. Na akom wodem ho
okay
ni besi akire na luta mini nyinenum nti nyamponji bia na ebe separate wo based on that I have a principle say ya maame Adwoa Safo ne Kennedy angle no dia menka bi ono ana be making it public say oni e papa Kennedy Agyapong e wo mamienu oso mo ho fe pa na o make sa comment no me gen say the communication team and the PS no amwa no. Why am I saying so? Alita, the summary of what Adwoa Safo said was the MPP bar them number family and friends. Na amwa wom. Into mabo position you the omo adwen da ho. No mu be ye bia no omo nya family and friends. And o kan ya kon so say delegate say papa na oni doctor mo ba me aye front runners no. Menene wo ma. Enye baako enye bia ka say be mistake bi. Menene wo ma mienu. Alita no wa da meme ware so no bi bawu mienu dia ntimi nkasa wa hyeda na say nipa na nkasa no ni san ye say streams ana mo kan na san oni na nya nkita hudie bi na oni say Kennedy Agyapong say no ti a ono ne wo ma oni mo ne san da de owini a o ma the position because Ghana for be kasa ho ana Kennedy nso mpekasa njo ma the position but or the father time amu ba mia dia oni ni number oni ni o meti bi ente wo de obenya position me tia na say Adwoa kasa traso was Alita when you say that you come across as a very self-centered person so you are not supporting Dr. Mamu Bamia based on his ideals his policies his vision you are supporting him because you in a position. So I can say on supporting Kennedy, on what the best of Kennedy do matter. Let me also say that for fair reportage. But you see, the penultimate, and I say only Jana Tigofo. The meat in an entire statement and yes, obeying appointment. You see, that is the apogee, that is the crucial contest I all can. So when appointment, I was very disappointed. This is a few you remember Madonna Prophet. We better the critical church. I just have been working upon them cultures and I was very sad. No, I'm a promo job. No, 2 I saw them to go to the height of the bargains, the Joe Osei-Tutu, the Chairman Sabu. But I think that on one hand, a political career. And backlash about this week, I respectfully think, say, she should examine a lot of things. I feel that sometimes the public commentaries and me, or by explaining me into a US, and I understood her. I felt that I understood you, but your actions could have been different. And the child had complications and I crown you won't contact. But I say, oh, yeah, but I what's no bank as a crowd. Wow, or body to go through near my exactly. We create me one and near friend. Yes, will be woo, you know, yes, will be woo, you know. If you are here now, I just will be heavy to about them. Yes, so it happens. Yes, it's minimum. I will not begrudge you. I mean, you are mother, man, all that may straight in this emotional unity. But when I'm analyzing you politically, I feel say TikTok with them. I mean, we can sympathize with you, but you get opportunity to dance there. You can clearly come and also conversate with your constituents. The body morphology in the labor notations in the dance, and so now you come up. Exactly. Oh, and I say, man, so I come. I look at you. Oh, I need to have a catching and say body morphology. That's what I say. I guess I feel sad. There's a baby or you TikTok. What's a man? Most I did that way. I won't done home them. Some woman, best 40 seconds. There be 15 seconds. I'm not done. Because they better why they. But you know, on the more serious note, time I may be disappointed in Adwoa Safo. Yeah. What's that? I could find a man procurement ministry. Yeah. And there was an issue. Time I be a jail, procurement issues to be by any idea.
the explanation of the man is ansem na ye can I'm fan dex so that was the time that
she was not alert enough.
I became very disappointed in her because obi a ye lawyer ni na oye emrahye badwani na ye de ministry ahye won sase soafo was a kufu at the time so oyi minister bi na omo obi position or kind nipa na credentials na wa chiro so nipa na ye we nti na me de we e hye nensa there's one major in procurement I'm ratato this is the same ministry nations I mean also you know say Ghana your problem e work pa yes procurement
in fact I could for the corruption issues no do na procurement
yes it is as a minister na explanation dey was a san na ye can am fa dex as well then you have no business to be in that ministry in the first place you ask me say sir procurement ministry you know and you will be feel say ebe the gatekeeping for the hitherto administration that's what more they share one sir what did you do
uncle ye
oh yeah
for me I feel say we need to a bit difficult but no me see Dr. Brian Agyapong so he had very strong words for her or say traditionally crown one can say because and some work afa ukunu said o ma be kan you see so for me for that I'm confused but only things say politically no I agree with Brian say this man must also talk to her because sometimes when you are speaking o kasa wo in that instance no we say near wo kana say what can and some from kwan obi o wechi na be catch I feel that if you don't support your ex partner that is okay I mean they are family the Jinapo brothers you are as normal but certain commentaries about somebody children being in the mix I felt it was a bit
okay
Paul ni bia ba Conrad bi so dem so ba me 60% Kennedy 29% that's what they are saying so one say I'm a principal and post who say I'm a king whatever they say they certainly run through a certain methodology qualitative or quantitative of triangulation or mixed method or whatever you pick it but be your strength no now one major materialistic who say they accept it or mate but only really 7 regions 7 or 11 regions or so that is also ne take on it on attach yan Kennedy he through na me ho me nko ho da also nkan bibia the Kennedy fan a passport umra no fan a passport umra until we the bar ebia 23rd na we ko UK 23rd na we ko you also mo lawyer to show here evidence no Kennedy Agyapong so say a lot of issues and it's expected you see now one for example say it's expected because the party just jumped into another election after a major election because 1 year minimum and they are running a major election and I'm make say to me the 3 Achilles heel of the NPP going into the next election how will this government to perform who they will present and how they themselves will come together to go into 31st January 2025 so I'll leave you here
okay but that's it thank you Eugene Osei-Tutu and your tenant from the tactical board